It's 4 in the morning at a remote anti-poaching camp in the BRT Tiger Reserve of Karnataka, and preparations to ensure the safety of our much-loved national animal are already underway. The task of Mirza, a forest watcher, and his foot patrol team begins early in the morning. It is then and late in the evening that the animals are on the move, and so are the poachers. The team has to cook, pack essentials, and be ready for a full day in the forest. It is only in the late evening that they will return back to the camp. Dawn breaks and the brilliant landscape of BRT Tiger Reserve is revealed. Declared as a Tiger Reserve in 2011, the newly created BRT Tiger Reserve joins its illustrious neighbors of Bandipur and Nagarhole Tiger Reserves. The Biligiri Ranganatha Swami Temple Tiger Reserve takes its name after the famous temple of Lord Ranganatha upon a white cliff called Biligiri. With an array of forest types not commonly found in a small landscape, the BRT Tiger Reserve is compounded by a complex network of steep hills. Under these extremely challenging conditions of terrain and forest types, the frontline staff of BRT Tiger Reserve fight the challenges faced by the park, undaunted by the elements. It is a bright morning, and another foot patrol team headed by Vishwanath has reached a vantage point to scout for any disturbance and for any irregular activities in the area. To their joy, they spot a group of Indian Gaurs grazing peacefully, indicating the area has been free from any intrusion. As part of a new initiative called Holi, Mirza and Vishwanath's teams are now equipped with the latest in technology. They will now trace the whole route they will patrol using a GPS device.
Each day, the forest patrol teams cover a large tract of forest on foot. They carry with them a GPS device, log the coordinates of their path, and also make notes of animals seen with their GPS location. The remote patrol camps are equipped with power backup and cell phone signal boosters to enable internet access. At the end of every day, using a computer and simple interface, they log all the information onto a server on the internet. The complete patrol map and the sightings of the day can be seen remotely on the internet.
Any tiger conservation or tiger protection strategy should focus on foot patrols. Foot patrols are the basic backbone of any tiger conservation on the ground. That foot patrols give us an accurate picture about the threats on the habitat. Keeping this in mind, BRT Tiger Reserve has initiated Holi, which is an initiative to effectively monitor the foot patrols. An administrator sitting anywhere in the world can actually log on onto the website and know his foot patrols on a day-to-day basis. This helps us in real-time monitoring, and not only that, it also brings in the kind of accountability and at the same time bring about the feedback where the patrols are effective and how we can improve them.
Though I am a software engineer by profession, my passion has always been wildlife conservation. So when I got an opportunity to do for the conservation of tigers, I got very much interested and I came here to learn their needs. And when the needs were actually told to me, that it was basically the people who are barely literate. So those were the people who were going to use a computer and they have to be sending data from here. So what we did was we designed a very simple user interface and we made these people who are barely literate computer literate.
The day has just begun for both the teams. They have miles to patrol and forests to protect. A tiger. It's a short glimpse, but a confirmed sight. The team also finds scratch marks of the tiger on a nearby tree. Mirza makes a note of the exact location with the help of his GPS and also notes the scratch marks. Though tigers don't pose much of a danger to foot patrols, elephants do. Vishwanath's team has just spotted fresh elephant dung. A sign of an elephant means the patrol has to be on high alert. An encounter with the mighty pachyderm is something even the bravest dread. The teams now rest for a bit before they start again. 2 simple rice meals a day pass the patrol team of 4, which protect an area of 30 square kilometers. Though the meals are simple, working in the forest has its perks. Wild gooseberries make for a nice afternoon snack. It's been a long day and the teams have patrolled more than 8 kilometers. They still have a long day's work ahead of them. But a splash of water and some light-hearted humor keeps their spirits high.
ನನ್ನ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ 8 ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಪೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 6 o'clock ನಾನು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ಹುಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ 8 ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆ ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವಾರದ ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಅವರು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರಿಂದ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಡೇಟಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
More than 12 hours in the field, and the foot patrol teams now return back to their camps. The teams now upload their patrol data with the help of GPS coordinates. The user interface is extremely intuitive and easy to use. Halage Gowda, a Soliga tribal, is among the first in his community to use a computer and uses the software with real ease.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋಲೆಗರ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ರು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪು GPS ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಕೂಲಿ ಕಂಬಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೋ. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ APC ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು APC ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪು GPS ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು GPS ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಗೆ CF ಸಾಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟಲ್ಲಿ.
The camp has power backup to last them at least 6 days, and cell phone signal boosters will make sure they have enough connectivity.
ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇತರರಿಗಾಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, BA ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಕುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಂಜೆ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
From patrolling the thickest of forests to getting hands-on with the latest technology, all in a day's work, saving the tiger.